Today I'll show you how templates work in Chronicle and how quickly you can go from a blank canvas to a polished presentation. We've worked with the world's best storytellers from McKinsey, Apple, IDEO, BCG to design hundreds of templates for you. We like to think of these as flexible building blocks. You can adapt, remix, and even turn into your own company templates. Let's start with picking a template today. When I open templates, I can browse through hundreds of options, including full presentations and individual slides. I can filter use cases like business updates, strategy, product, report. I can also filter slides by different categories like timelines, agenda, problem insight, features, and more. Let's say I'm creating a monthly business update. Instead of starting from blank, I'll just choose this template as my base. Looks pretty good. Let me insert it. Right away, I've got a clear structure, an intro, key updates, some company performance metrics, some metrics to show the data, product updates, and more. You can also switch themes here to change the look and feel to match your brand. In just one click, it looks perfect. Now let's say I just want to add a few specific slides to this deck. For example, I want to include a project update for one of our big upcoming initiatives this quarter. I'll open the slide templates, filter by timelines, and drop in a single slide. This one looks perfect. Let's add it in. You can now edit it or customize it the way you want. It's that simple. Now I can go ahead and update the content and make it my own. You can do this for all kinds of quick additions. A welcome slide for new team members, a one-page status update, a comparison table, or even a metric slide for your leadership. There is an even faster way to generate a polished slide from scratch with your content. You can simply type your content, hit remix, and just select a layout. Let's remix this project plan into something different, something a little bit more visual. Let's say we want this timeline. I can just select this, hit remix, and you'll get a stunning polished slide created with your content waiting for you. The best part is, once I'm happy with this presentation, I can save it as a template in my workspace so I can reuse it the next time. You can save a deck from here, or you can save this specific slide as a template from here. Just name it and hit save, and you're good to go. You can do this for all sorts of recurring use cases, like team-wide presentations where you need to keep things consistent. You can also bring your company brand guidelines and build templates around them and save them for your entire team. So that's templates in Chronicle. You can start fast with full presentation templates, stay flexible with individual slide templates, and scale your work by saving everything to your workspace and neatly organizing it within the templates picker. It's all about spending less time on a blank slide and more on the story you want to tell. So that's templates. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.